Hello, Bob from Shocker Hitch. Today we're going to do a simple install of our air equalizer hitch using a common weight distribution head to start with. Let's measure our existing head from the ground. In this case we've got 19.5 inches. Loosen up your lock set bolt. Remove the two bolts holding the equalizer head on. Once you've removed that, take your existing shank out. Your air equalizer. Slide it into the receiver tube. Line up your pin. Take your existing weight distribution head. Pick it up. Put the bolts back in. Okay, we've hooked up the truck. We don't have our equalizer bars hooked up. And we've lost 1.5 inches of ride height. So let's hook up our bars, air up the hitch, and see what it's going to take. Okay, we have loaded up the equalizer bars. Our ride height is right back, 19.5, where we started. Now let's put a little air in this thing. Show you how to do that. See, right now we're compressed up against the forward bump cushions. We have just come off the bump cushions. They're nice and free. This is our travel. This is our soft zone. This is where the hitch is going to travel. When we hit bumps and the trailer jerks, it's going to come back to this bottom, this bump stop. So let's see how much air it took. Looks like about 40 pounds. That's pretty average. 40 to 60 is pretty average. There you go, smooth ride. Please join us at shockerhitch.com.